Proscenic F20A Cordless Vacuum and Mop. Smart 3-in-1 Wet, Dry Floor Cleaner. Vacuum. Mop. Wash with app control, self-cleaning and air drying, edge-to-edge cleaning. The Proscenic F20A is your all-in-one solution for whole home hard floor cleaning. It vacuums, mops, and washes in one step with powerful suction and advanced real-time water cleaning technology. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, pet messes, or dried stains like sauce or oil, the F20A delivers deep, hygienic cleaning with intelligent features that simplify your routine. Key features: 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and wash. Deep clean in one pass with 380 RPM roller speed and strong suction power. Ideal for sticky messes, liquids, and daily dirt on hard floors like tile, marble, vinyl, and hardwood. Detachable battery and long runtime. 6x2500 mAh lithium battery pack provides up to 35 minutes of runtime. Clean up to 120 square meters per charge. Large 1L dual tank system, clean plus dirty water, for fewer interruptions. Need more time? Extra battery sold separately. Smart LED display plus app control. Bright LED display shows remaining runtime, selected cleaning mode, and maintenance alerts. Touchscreen control to easily switch between 3 cleaning modes. Track performance and settings via Proscenic app. One-touch self-cleaning plus air drying. Press a button to start the self-cleaning cycle. The roller and tubes are flushed clean. Centrifugal air drying prevents odors and mildew by thoroughly drying the roller. Dual edge-to-edge cleaning. Dual-sided roller brush design reaches within 8 mm of walls and corners. Get complete edge cleaning, perfect for baseboards and narrow gaps. Self-propelled for effortless handling. Automatically moves forward for comfortable cleaning with less strain. Flexible swivel floor brush improves maneuverability under furniture. Multilingual voice assistance. Built-in voice guidance available in English, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. Helps with mode selection, alerts, and maintenance reminders. Solid liquid waste separation. Smart filtering system separates solids from liquids in the dirty tank. Makes emptying and cleaning faster, cleaner, and more hygienic. Triangle ruler product specifications, approximately. Feature specification. Cleaning functions: vacuum, mop, wash. 3-in-1, water tank capacity 1L clean, 1L dirty. Roller speed 380 RPM. Runtime up to 35 minutes. Replaceable battery. Battery capacity 6x2500 mAh. Detachable, smart display LED touchscreen plus app integration. Voice prompts: yes. Multilingual. Self-cleaning: yes. One touch and air dry. Edge cleaning dual edge design. 8 mm proximity. Floor types: all hard floors. Weight lightweight, ergonomic design. Perfect for pet owners cleaning up fur, paw prints, and spills. Families with children and frequent messes. Modern homes needing quick, thorough mopping. Anyone who wants less effort, fewer steps, and more hygiene in their floor care.